WIKISPEED December 27th, 2012. Here's our Everlast TIG welder EX250. We were having difficulties with welding, and I went to Central Welding today, and they said we had put the wrong collet size in our TIG torch. There's a rear collet and a forward collet, and I might be not using the right words. They are collets that hold the tungsten. And for 1/8 inch 6061 T6 aluminum, which is what we weld the most, we now have a matching 1/8 inch forward collet, 1/8 inch rear collet, and 1/8 inch tungsten. You can see this hasn't yet been ground, and it's pure tungsten for working on aluminum. Then we got some rod, weld rod, TIG rod, that's specific to 6061 T6 aluminum. 4043 is the type, and this was maybe $20. Altogether, the collet hardware, the tungsten, a properly sized gas cap, and we have a size 7 gas cap with 1/8 inch collets and 1/8 inch tungsten. Then work well with 4043 rod, Harris brand, for 6061 T6 aluminum. Then our benchtop grinding wheel, it's likely been contaminated, and when we grind the tungsten, that can introduce all types of problems, of course, making the electrode contact. So we got a new, this was I think $37 all by itself, grinding wheel specific for tungsten grinding, or of a compound that works well with tungsten grinding, and hopefully it fits this benchtop grinder. We'll check. They don't have standard diameters. Now what's cool about this piece though is it has multiple adapters that can slide out the middle, so it should fit most types of grinding wheels. We'll see if it fits this Harbor Freight Central Machinery 6-inch benchtop grinder or not. And the type of wheel is, does it tell me? I thought it was a silicone something, and I'm not seeing it. Maybe folks will see it in the video, the type of wheel. But this wheel is from Central Welding for tungsten grinding, and that should then have us welding merrily. Then with the manual for the Everlast EX250, we can then check the settings, set the appropriate knobs, and be happily welding aluminum again.